Hello everyone, welcome to Active Directory installation tutorial. In the previous video I showed you how to install DNS and configure forward and reverse lookup zone. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Active Directory in the same server. We need to add the Active Directory domain services role. Let us go and add this. Manage, add roles and features, next, 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 Active Directory domain services. Install. The role has been installed successfully. Close this. Now we need to promote as a domain controller. Promote this server to a domain controller. And then we need to select here a new forest. The root domain is going to be techsite.local. The directory service restore mode password. We already created the delegation, DNS, and the delegation, I don't want to do it. I'm going to use the administrator as the DNS delegation. Okay, you're about to sign out. Click close. Okay, the server has been restarted. I'm going to log into the server as a domain admin. Now I'm going to launch the Active Directory. Tools, Active Directory users and computer. Okay, everything looks good. Okay, the Active Directory database ntds.dat, it's on the system folder. Let us go and take a look. Run. This is the Active Directory database. I will go to DNS and store the forward and reverse lookup zone in Active Directory. Click on here, Server Manager. Tools, DNS. and right click here and go to properties and then change store the zone in Active Directory. Do you want the zone to become Active Directory integrated? Yes. And then here the dynamic updates, you need to secure only. On the reverse lookup zone, I will do the same thing. In the next video, I will show you how to populate the Active Directory with some dummy users using PowerShell. Thanks for watching and you have a great day.